All right, guys, Honey Hefe here. It's May 2nd, 2026. Saturday. It's about close to 11 o'clock. Weather's going to be 52 to 73 degrees. It's about 66 outside here at the Pasture Apiary. So what am I doing today? I want to be digging some posts for my fence. So I went and got permission from the landowner. They were totally fine with it. They're glad I asked. But don't plan on doing much with the bees today. I may peek in there, but I gotta wear my bee suit to do all this. And so I'm glad I'm taking care of this now. I wish I took care of it last week, but I had a foot injury. I couldn't do too much. And so I'm just kind of staring at these few hives here that look a little bit slow. But they so I couldn't come out here and do what I needed to do. And last week would have been a perfect week because it was, part of the setting fence posts and pouring concrete is you want it to get wet. And I'm not dragging water out here in the middle of this cow pasture. So the fact that it's going to rain will help that concrete set a little bit better. But it's not much different than today. It rained. It's going to rain some again this weekend. But at least I think it is. But it did just rain, so the ground's a little wet. So it's not burning up outside. So while I'm here, I'm going to look at the bees for a minute. I will probably press down some of the grass right there directly in front of the hives. I'll just walk in front of it. The one with the moon and the snowflake looks okay. I want the baby bottles, got activity in there. Obviously I need to staple those a little better until I find better cards. I mean, something a little bit more, a little smaller, a little bit better laminated, and a little bit thicker, and more colorful. But I mean, like I said, this is all just an experiment. It's as far as the cards going. But on the hives, I'm not painting all my hives. I wax them all. Some people like to paint on different colors and different designs and things like that. That's cool, but I'm not going to do that. Primarily because I'm lazy. I also like to wax my boxes. So you can't paint them after you wax them unless you do it immediately after. And I'm not set up to do that. All right, so. Okay, so these are my last two hives right here on this end. So my last three hives, let's kind of zoom in a little bit. One with the traffic light, I'm seeing some activity in there. Now I wonder how many of these have swarmed already. I added those supers to help, fight the urge to swarm back in the end of February. And so maybe none of them swarmed, but chances are some of them probably swarmed. And I'm okay with that. My new queens are coming in next week. Hopefully they'll come in on Friday so I can work on Saturday and do all my splits. And we're at about 25. I love looking at all these bees right here. So that's what it is. So I got to dig at least 4 concrete, 4 of them, the corners. I got those 4x4s somewhere on the ground inside, I think behind that box right there. But so I'll get those set. I'll probably drill 1 or 2 or a couple more pairs of holes for kind of in the middle. This is about 25 by 65 foot perimeter here. I measured it a couple of weeks ago. So you want to have a fence post about every 8 feet. But I'll probably just put a 4x4 in the middle of all the 4 corners and use T-post in between those to kind of help stabilize it. I'm not going to dig a bunch of fence posts. But let's drive around the back and see how we're doing. It doesn't look like the cows have come in again. I think if they have, they would have knocked over some hives, but they've also would have the grass. There's plenty of grass for them to eat, so I don't think they're as desperate. I don't know if I need to use this type of fence right here, or if I should use this kind over here. It's got the little bit bigger square. All right, but it doesn't matter. I'll figure that out later. The hard part's to getting this stuff dug, and I gotta hurry up and get these this auger back. I've only rented it for 4 hours a day, so I hope I can get that done. All right, guys, appreciate it. And for next week, I'll be doing the splits. I may shoot another little video after I dig the 4 fence post, or whatever I'm doing. And I appreciate it, guys. It's Honey Hefe here. That's Honey with a J and Jeff with 1 F between 2 E's. That means Honey Boss. Thank you very much.